I also have a very keen interest in biology, which helped me to pursue my interest in biology, and that's why I chose to become a doctor. Hello friends, my name is Mahadev Gochade. I had joined Aakash Institute in class 9 for 2 years foundation program and for 2 years medical program for the NEET UG 2024. I got to know about Aakash Institute from my relatives who told me that Aakash is the best for the medical preparation in the country, and I wish to join Aakash because of its excellent NEET UG results. I also wanted a competitive environment which I was sure that Aakash would provide me. Aakash is also a very big brand name, that's why I had enrolled for Aakash. I wish to be a doctor since I was a child. My father is an engineer and my mother is a teacher. I have no doctors in my family. Due to this, my parents wish that there should be at least one person in the family with a medicinal background. They motivated me and helped me choose my medical field. I also have a very keen interest in biology, which helped me to pursue my interest in biology, and that's why I chose to become a doctor. My preparation strategy for NEET was consistency and hard work. I had given mock tests and solved previous year question papers of last 10 years. Yes, NCERT maps provided me a quick way to revise each and every topic before exam. I didn't miss a single lecture in these 2 years, which definitely helped me. I solved my every doubt whenever I got one, and the teachers helped me in doing so. I didn't miss a single test of Aakash. This motivated me, and a final test series of NEET, that is FTS, helped me in providing a real-time simulation of NEET exam, and the NEET exam was to me like a same test of final test series. The FTS, that is final test series, helped me judge my preparation and made me discover my weak points. There are some topics which are left a week after 2 years of hard work. The test series gave an error analysis to me of the points that were, or the topics, subtopics that were left by me or that were weak according to that I didn't knew. That gave me a real-time NEET simulation. When I gave NEET, I didn't think of it as another exam. It was to me just like another test of FTS, that is final test series. My last month strategy for NEET exam was that I didn't try to make any new concepts and try to revise my old concepts. I focused on NCERT points a lot. I revised NCERT maps at least once every week so that I could get a thorough revision of each and every topic of every point of NCERT. I tried to give at least one mock test every day and focused on the analysis of those and made my weak points stronger. NCERT for sure is the base for NEET examination. I had revised NCERT approximately at least 5 to 6 times before my NEET exam thoroughly. I used to highlight every important point in NCERT, be it physics or be it chemistry or be it biology. The tables given in NCERT, for example, especially in inorganic chemistry, were very important. The data given in those could be asked in any examination, and the assertion reason type questions were framed from the statements given in NCERT. So the statements from each nook and corner of the NCERT were very important, and I tried to focus on them every time I revised the NCERT. Well, there were many rough times during my NEET journey in these 2 years. Whenever I got less marks in tests, I would feel demotivated. And then I would talk to my parents and my teachers. My teachers asserted me that do error analysis and rectify those mistakes. My parents would tell me that there will always be a next test, and therefore I would rectify my mistakes and would continue my journey so on. My experience at Aakash was very good. My friends and my teachers helped me a lot in these 2 years of journey. My teachers always used to motivate me and cleared my doubts. Whenever I made any mistakes, they made sure that I made it error analysis and rectified it the next time. When I see the beginning and the end of my journey, I thought that I rectified a lot of my mistakes and got a discipline in study. This helped me achieve a big score. Overall, my experience at Aakash was very good. My advice to NEET aspirants would be that stay consistent and do hard work. Whenever you get low marks, don't feel demotivated and never give up. Stay focused on your goal. I advise you to focus on NCERT a lot. All the best. Thank you.